Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out through the door, to the street, to the highway. You and me will go explore by the sea. Read the stories from your book, tie the lines onto the hook.
Welcome, Sarah Sunbeam.
We can be you and me. It's gonna be a good day.
Well, we just spent 2 weeks in Siem Reap, and that is an amazing town. We really loved it there. But our next stop is here in Koh Rong, an island off of the coast of Cambodia, and we booked this little rustic cabin. And here I'm at like the top of this little deck area next to our cabin, and you can kind of see the ocean through the trees there. And this is just one of those kind of stereotypical tropical paradise islands where you can just come, chill out, swim in the crystal clear water, warm ocean water. And also, for me, one of the biggest things I wanted to do here was see the bioluminescent plankton. You should be able to see that at night right off the beach. So this is going to be hopefully not only a relaxing trip, but a bucket list item for me to see some bioluminescence.
Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out through the door, to the street, to the highway. You and me will go explore by the sea. Read the stories from your book, tie the lines onto the hook, take a picture by the street, be the best friends we can be.
So Koh Rong actually has a lot of different bays that you could come to. We're in one called Empai. And it's a really small town, very rustic, off the beaten path, maybe, 2 blocks worth of restaurants and shops and hostels. So here, I'll take a walk around town. It's gonna take 2 minutes to kind of show you what it looks like.
All the love we'll ever need, we'll ever need. It's gonna be a good day. Chase our shadows down the bay, watch the seagulls fly away, hope to see the Milky Way, say I love you by the way, by the way. It's gonna be a good day. Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out.
That's pretty much the whole town. It's just a lot of restaurants, hostels, and dive shops, but so laid back. Just really the kind of place you want to come to just chill out and have a beach day.
Read the stories from your book, tie the lines onto the hook.
Well, that was the whole town of Empai. It's small, but really cool. And now we're gonna stop for a really simple lunch. We're just getting some wraps. Next on the agenda is bioluminescent plankton later tonight. Wish us luck.
All the people we could meet, all the beauty we could see, endless possibility, all the love we'll ever